The sustainability of the food industry is a global issue as climate change threatens to reduce the reliability of food supply through altered weather patterns and increased pressure from pests and diseases. But new science being developed at the Department of Life Sciences at Imperial College London promises to provide solutions to these emerging challenges. We visited the college to find out more.
A country estate with extensive grounds may seem an unlikely place for cutting-edge science, but here, among the outhouses and greenhouses, something very special is going on. Research that may change the way food is grown around the world. Nearly half of crop yields globally are lost to pests and diseases. Growing populations and the impact of climate change are adding to these agricultural challenges, problems for which scientists at Imperial College are now finding answers.
Time 2 minus temperature at time 1.
At Silwood Park, the rural Berkshire outpost of Imperial College for more than 70 years, students use mathematical modelling to assess how natural ecosystems and agricultural landscapes will respond to stressors like pollution and climate change.
Increasing fluctuations will decrease productivity because plants get stressed with changes in climate, especially temperature or precipitation. So you need to think about ways in which you can breed plants that are more capable of buffering uncertainty in the environment. The systems that we are dealing with, like agricultural landscapes, they are more complex than you think. So these kind of models are the only way really practically to make some forward prediction, some forward thinking, some future proofing of interventions that people might want to apply.
At Imperial College's Kensington campus, the challenge of 800 million people globally being undernourished drives the research. The team are looking at pathogens, like the one responsible for the 19th century Irish potato famine, which is still killing crops.
What happens when a plant is attacked by these microbes is that these microbes have agents that send inside the plant tissue to undermine plant immunity. We are following these agents they secrete, these molecules mostly in proteinaceous nature, and we are trying to find their partners in the plant, what processes they target, and once we identify them, our idea is to manipulate them in favor of the plants so that they cannot be targeted by these agents, or we are trying to improve the immune sensing of the plants so that they can better recognize these parasites and activate their immune system.
The work here attracts top students and collaborators from around the world, keen to bring their expertise to Imperial's research projects.
Imperial is one of the world's leading university, and it is expanding its frontiers of knowledge in science, medicine, engineering and business. It also translating these discoveries into the benefits of the society. And Imperial also supports women in STEM. It also attracts me to come to the Imperial.
Insights from labs are taken out into the field using multispectral sensing on unmanned aerial vehicles or drones to survey plant responses to stresses such as infection, heat and drought. Analysis of the light wavelengths that humans cannot see enables control measures to be targeted only where needed.
We take this information that we've been extrapolating and developing in the lab, and we're taking it out into the field now, and we're trying to sort of quantify stress exposure in field plants. And we develop predictive methods that can tell us how stressed a plant is and where a plant may be stressed in the field. So you can move away from this idea of preventative maintenance. We don't know where the stress is, so we have to apply excess amounts of plant protection products, to a more reactive method of prevention, which is basically only applying it when you know it's happening. But in order to do that, we have to be able to perceive these stresses earlier.
Imperial's multidisciplinary collaborative approach to creating a secure and sustainable food chain harnesses the power of human endeavour in the laboratory with technological advances out in the field.